Hi, I'm Girl at Heart Ambassador Sage, and today I'm going to be making pineapple salsa. To make pineapple salsa, here's what you will need. Half a red onion, half a green pepper, half a red pepper, 4 Roma tomatoes, 2.5 cups of pineapple. You can also use canned, but I recommend using fresh. And half a cup of cilantro. To start building your pineapple salsa, you'll want to put your pineapple in a bowl. And then you want to put your tomatoes in there. Then your peppers and red onion. And I forgot to mention, you'll want to chop up your cilantro and put it in there. You'll also need 3/2 of a lime, so 1.5 limes. You'll also need a little bit of salt. And if you're feeling extra spicy, then you can add a little bit of diced jalapeno to it. So now you want to mix your salsa. It will be very pretty. Now we have our salsa. I decided to make a chili lime chicken taco. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Let's see how it tastes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Justice for more awesome videos like this one. That's so good.